today I will be doing the jelly bean taste test, and I have 20 flavors in each package. I'm doing a sour and a normal one, and I might put the second one in a part 2. It depends. So yeah, I have my cup. Just in case I gross. Then I have my 20 flavors and my 20 sours. So I think I'm gonna start with these ones first, and there's lots of disgusting looking flavors, and yeah, let's just get started. This one's Sunkist Lemon Pina Colada. I don't know which one it is. I'm pretty sure it's Pina Colada. But let's just try it. Oh, it's Sunkist Lemon. It's good. I'm not a big fan of jelly beans. Licorice. I hate licorice. Blueberry. It's kind of gross. I think that was strawberry cheesecake. That's weird as like a jelly bean, you know? I'll green up. I think this is Juicy Pear. Oh, there's Juicy Pear. Ah! I don't like that. So I did the lemon and lemon lime. Lemon lime is my favorite flavor so far. Buttered popcorn. Lemon burn. Coconut. I'm not a big fan of coconut, as you can tell. Cotton candy. My dog needs to be quiet. Orange sherbet. Orange sherbet's good. That class good. It's like cinnamon. Tangerine. Good. Oh god, toasted marshmallow. I'm not excited for this one. That was Tutti Frutti. Looks like blue poop spots. Not a fan. Cherry and watermelon. So I'm gonna do watermelon first because the watermelon sounds pretty good. Watermelon and wild cherry. Good job. I guess I was wrong. There's only 5 flavors on the sour one. There's grape, lemon, orange, cherry, and apple. So I'm doing apple first because it's for dinner. They're not even that sour. They're a little bit sour, but not sour yet. Cherry. I honestly like these. Like the colors are so pretty inside. And I like the sours better than the normal ones. They're great. Lemon. So sour. And that orange. Oranges are sour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more taste test videos, remember to comment down below and like this video. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, remember to hit that subscribe button. Because like I do fun, cool videos, and why not subscribe? And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. enjoyed this video.